Hey yo, it's Monday and we're gonna go downtown and look who decides to join the vlogs today.
Look how stupid carrying this gay bag.
We're going to downtown to go see Broadway in Chicago, but it was literally thunderstorm and lightning 2.5 seconds ago. We're in Broadway in Chicago in the park with John and Clay and Mandy. Right now I have a nice view of lawn chairs. Are you struggling? Clay's eating healthy, look.
I know, I got this.
And got this like healthy juice thing. Mom, they're singing your song. So the show's over. It was really, really good. Did you enjoy your first time?
I did! Great, first time.
Forever on the internet. Her first Broadway concert. Look at this team. Chicago story right there.
And Washington Street, let's go.
Ready? Are we going? Alright, we're going to Sidetracks for Musical Mondays.
Let's run away. Don't ever look back. Don't ever look back.
Just a normal Tuesday, and it's storming. Hella storming. Holy crap, let's open some windows, even though that's probably dangerous because lightning. I want to see some lightning. Give me some lightning, boo.
Oh, this guy forgot his umbrella.
Oh, you got it, bro. Run!
Run!
Just, it's a shower. Think of it as a shower. It's just Mother Nature's shower. Kayla was a really good roommate today because she bought me soup and ginger ale because my tummy hurts. And she got herself a whole meal over here.
Right?
Hey. Didn't bring my camera. We're shopping. Got some birthday stuff. Yes, you do. You look very pastel-y.
Pastel-y.
She looks really cute with my purse on.
That's an adjective.
But we're going shopping. Hey guys, it's Thursday. I had to think for a second what day it was. And we're going to lunch. Look at how beautiful it is today. So very excited. It's on!
It's wetting my car. What the fuck?
There's Buckingham Fountain.
How is that even a thing?
Look at those clouds. Yes, God. Oh, look at this shot right here. Cute. Look at that. That's so Tumblr. Look how Tumblr that is. Getting drinks for lunch. Holiness, we're cheersing.
Oh, okay.
Lisa's here for lunch. Evelyn's see, there's the RBF that we're looking for. Our food came. Are these salmon
Am I the only one that doesn't Instagram my food?
No, I'm just filming. We're just eating.
Instagramming my food. That's
Oh,
Snapchat.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So good.
Wait, should my strawberry? Look at there we go.
Your strawberry's fucked.
Shut up. My strawberry hates your strawberry.
Finish lunch and I have to go to work. Oh, I'm so mad. Evelyn's dropping me out. Oh yeah. Just a nice venue. Do not handle.
Just explore.
Have a great night.
Thank you.
So we just left this. Oh, look at this thing. This is creepy. Okay. So we just worked our first catering job.
Never again.
Okay, but the thing is that I feel like if it was organized more, it would have been better. I don't know if you agree. We're gonna drink now because we need it.
No.
Just hanging out with the crew.
You're so powerful. You're so powerful. You guys too. Both of you right now. But y'all didn't find out about your. Play Smash Brothers the whole time. Give me the menu.
The light is now.
He's not gonna come back. How's everything?
There used to be a growing stigma surrounding our food. thought that it was unhealthy for you. But then we came up with this new and certain menu. Skinny-licious, lots of... Their eyes became wise and the start of some healthier food. As the years went by, we needed something different and new. So they came up with this awesome superfood, nature. Oh, we tell them that it's healthy, baby. But here's the cinch, it's nutrient rich, antioxidant, full of folate, vegan carb. Baby, super and it's food that is here to stay. Ooh, take on your vegan carb, that's okay. It's healthy and good for you. In less than 6 months, it goes away. Baby, super and it's food that is here to stay. Ooh, stay on your vegan carb, that's okay. It's healthy and here for you. In less than 6 months, it goes away. Said it's healthy and good for you. In less than 6 months, it goes away.